Hey everybody! Welcome back to Frankbrox Art. Brian was supposed to finish this Wolverine drawing, but, he didn't. Sheesh. Alright everybody, so apparently today we're looking at Brian's Wolverine drawing. Or half of a Wolverine drawing. But then, Brian disappeared, like a dad in a grocery store saying, "Wait right here." Poof, gone. I don't know if he got distracted, started another drawing, opened YouTube, or just stared at the screen like this. Blank intense stare, pretending he's thinking artist thoughts. You artists do that a lot, by the way. Like y'all be staring at a canvas for 45 minutes and call it productivity. You know what's funny though? Brian always starts these drawings super confident too. He'll be like, "Yeah, this one's gonna be quick. Quick for who?" Because somehow every drawing turns into a side quest. First it's line work, then fixing anatomy, then changing the pose, then zooming in for 3 hours adjusting one eyeball. Artists really be fighting demons over tiny details nobody else even noticed. And can we talk about Wolverine's expression for a second? My guy looks exhausted. Like even HE knows this drawing hasn't been finished yet. He got that face like, "I've been sitting in this sketch layer for weeks." Honestly, if comic book characters could talk, unfinished drawings would probably be yelling at artists all day. "Please color me. Please add the background. Please stop starting new projects." But okay. Let's be fair. The anatomy's looking good. The line confidence? Nice. The claws? Clean. The overall Wolverine vibe? Very. I fought the Hulk before breakfast. But color? Nope. Shading? Nah. Background? Absolutely not. This drawing is basically wearing pajamas right now. It's not ready. It's like Wolverine showed up before the movie effects got added. The wild part is, unfinished art actually teaches you a lot. You can still study the pose, the shapes, the line work, and the energy before all the fancy effects get added. Sometimes seeing the rough version is cooler because you get to see how the artist thinks. Or in Brian's case, how he overthinks. Because I know this dude probably restarted at least one arm like 12 times before recording this video. And the crazy thing is, Brian always says, "Oh, don't worry, I'm gonna finish it later." Later when? Next week? Next month? Next X-Men movie? I'm starting to think unfinished drawings are his favorite art style. At this point, he got more unfinished sketches than completed videos. Somewhere on his computer, there's probably 17 Spider-Man drawings crying for help right now. But let's be honest, there's still a pretty good chance he comes back and finishes this later. Artists do that all the time. They disappear, recharge, get inspired again, then suddenly come back acting like nothing happened. Next thing you know, the drawing's fully colored with dramatic lighting and metal claws shining everywhere. So maybe this isn't abandoned. Maybe Wolverine's just on a loading screen right now. But hey, maybe he will finish it. Probably. Hopefully. Unless another Spider-Man drawing appears out of nowhere, which honestly has like a 98% chance of happening. One second he's drawing Wolverine. Next thing you know, bam! Guys, I had an idea for Venom. Like, sir, please finish one thing first. Wolverine over here looking unfinished and emotionally abandoned. But until then, we're gonna appreciate unfinished Wolverine in all his incomplete glory. Honestly, he kinda looks mad because the drawing isn't finished. Like he's sitting there thinking, "Buddy, where are my shadows?" And honestly, fair question. Anyway, thanks for hanging out with me on Frankbrox Art. And somebody please remind Brian to finish this before Wolverine heals faster than the artwork.